Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset Poco M5 smartphone. This is helpful for those who have forgot their password. As you can see, okay, the device is locked. Try again in 27 seconds. Okay, to do hard reset, first power off your smartphone. Tap on power off. Now it is successfully power off. Now press and hold the volume up and power key together like this for a few seconds. Just press and hold it. And now release. As you can see, it will send you in MIUI recovery 5.0. Now volume keys to move up and down and power button to confirm. Now go to wipe data and confirm. Now go to wipe all data and confirm. And here you can see confirm wipe of all data. This cannot be undone. Go to confirm and confirm it. So as you can see, data wiped successfully. Now back to main menu and reboot to system. And guys, after hard reset, it might take some time to boot up the device. And after hard reset, when asked for password, tap on skip and use previously logged in Google account to unlock your phone. So guys, this is the method to hard reset Poco M5 smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.